I'm here at Broadway Avenue and Main Street. We're gonna go ahead and hit this in action. 3, 2, 1.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street, traveling east.
That one actually works. Alright then.
Wait.
So as you can see, and I'm waiting for, hold on. That sign's, this one's supposed to be saying Broadway,
Wait.
not SR59. Whatever.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street, traveling east.
I didn't hit it correctly, didn't I? No?
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street, traveling east.
Alright. So this one actually worked. So I think they're like one. I think they're actually, so 3 crosswalks are actually working. That one works. And the medium button over here and this one over here will actually work. So.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street, traveling east.
Okay.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street, traveling east.
Okay. That sounds really good, isn't it? Yeah, lights are turned. Here we go. Let me go way around because it should be used. It should be usual.
17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There you go. Those does not work too. All right. There you go. Walk sign is now. Alright, walk sign is on the cross Main Street. I'd rather like put my camera up like this, so. Wait.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street.
This one is actually distorted too.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street, traveling east.
Boys, I just filmed this crosswalk like a minute ago. This one does not work.
Broadway Avenue, walk signs on the cross.
The walk sign is actually on the cross Broadway now. There are actually a bunch of people here, as you can see right there. Alright, that's all.